Hello, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So the first video that I did on my channel was mutton Rogan Josh. Today I'm going to try the same recipe using soya. This will be a nice change for all of you if you're bored of eating the regular dals and sabjis. This will be a little more spicier and exciting. So let's jump into the recipe. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description box below. Let's have a look at the ingredients required to make the dish. I've got soya in here which I've boiled for around 15 minutes and drained the water. I've got curd in here, ginger powder, fennel powder. In here I've got shahi jeera or black cumin and white cumin and 1 cardamom. Here I've got a mixture of red chili powder and Kashmiri red chili powder, some heen, some whole masalas, that is black cardamom, white cumin, cardamom, cloves and bay leaf. Apart from this, we'll need salt to taste as well as oil to cook the dish. So let's start making the dish. So the first step to do is to crush together the black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and white cumin together. So I've got that crushed in here. I've also crushed the white cumin, black cumin and 1 cardamom which I had mentioned in the ingredients into a rough powder. So these are ready. Let's begin making the dish. I have a pan on fire with some oil heating up in it. I put the fire on medium. In goes the spice mixture, that's the black cardamom and green cardamom and all the other spices. That goes in first, along with 2 bay leaves and a pinch of asafoetida or heen. Mix all of this together and let them release their aroma. Spices are cooked well. Now in goes the soya. We'll saute the soya for a few minutes. So I've sauteed the soya in the spices for 2-3 minutes. Now in goes red chili powder, and the yogurt. Mix all of this together until the white of the yogurt disappears. So the yogurt and the red chili has mixed well into the soya chunks. Now we'll add in ginger powder and the fennel powder. Again, mix well. Now we'll also add in salt to taste. Bring everything together. Now we'll pour some water into this, cover and cook it for 5 minutes. So let's add water. I've added almost 1 cup of water. Just cover this and cook it for 5 minutes. It's been cooking for 5 minutes and you can see that the water has reduced nicely. Now we'll switch off the fire and add in the crushed masalas, that is white cumin, black cumin and cardamom. And the curry is ready. So the soya Rogan Josh is ready. You can serve this with any kind of rice, ghee rice or any variety rice, or you can serve it with some Indian breads. This will taste really nice and it will be a different option from the regular curries that we have. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.